this is going to be a short video showing you how to vote for Longreach. So the first thing you need to do is open your web browser and go to www.businessforhome.org. You load the page, and on the home page there, if you are using Apple devices, you can simply select on Apple. If you are using Android device, you simply need to click on Google Play Store. So you open Google Play Store and you quickly install the app. You need to download the app and install it into your device. So while the app is downloading, I would like to explain to you people who can vote. So Business for Home allows you to vote just once. So you can use the device of other people you know, your friends, your family members, your relatives, your colleagues. You can simply send the app into their devices, and after sending the app into their devices, they log into their Facebook account and vote. So here is where I was sending the app to various people who actually I use their Facebook accounts to vote. So anybody can actually vote, whether the person is a Longreach partner or not. So now the app has finished downloading. So once the app finished downloading, you need to open the app. And when you open the app, there's an option here that says click on poll. So you simply need to come to click on poll. If you don't have the Facebook app installed on your phone already, it means you need to click on login. It will show you where you log into your Facebook, but I'm already logged in, so I'm going to click on login. So after logging in, it will now show you the names of various MLM leaders that have been nominated or selected. So what you simply need to do is to search for Charles Tambo of Longreach, this one. Now, it is very important to note that you are not voting for Mr. Charles Tambo himself, you are voting for Longreach. So don't feel that this vote you are casting is for Longreach. Remember, Longreach has impacted the life of so many persons on a global frequency. Personally, I may not be Mr. Charleston, or Longreach is not paying me to do this video, but because of the fact that this company has impacted in my life and those of the people around me, I am obligated to do this to help increase the credibility of the brand. So you simply select Charles Tambo, ensure you don't select somebody else, and after selecting Charles Tambo of Longreach, you simply need to click on vote. So that is how easy it is. You have voted. So after voting, you can simply click on view results, and you're going to see the current location of our Longreach representative who is actually selected to be among the people in this business for home. So this is Charles Tambo of Longreach, currently has 542 votes. So remember, anybody can vote. So don't just wait for only your vote. Look for people who can vote. If they don't know how to vote, send them this video, or you can even send the app to them if they don't have data to download it and use their accounts to vote. So here is where I'm actually using the account of a friend of mine to vote. So after sending the app to him, I showed him how to vote. So this is what each and everyone should do. It's very, very easy. So remember, you need to download the app. After downloading the app, you open the app. For people who their Play Store may close, this is how the app icon looks like. This is it here, bouncing. So thank you for watching, share and like this video.